Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today we are going to be trying out, is this my first Valentine's Day palette of 2025? It could be. And it's from Gourmande Girls. And this is the BITTEN palette. The artwork is designed by none other than Doodles by the Bunny, aka Angela, over on Instagram. She does a lot of the cover art for a lot of Gourmande Girls palettes. And Christina, the owner, was kind enough to send me this in PR. But wait, it gets better. I have a palette for one of you lucky viewers out there. Yes, this is a giveaway on today's video. It's my way to show you guys my love and my appreciation for helping my channel reach 30K subscribers, and also to share a little bit of love with you all on Valentine's Day. So let's take a closer look inside this BITTEN palette from Gourmande Girls. You'll see that this is the typical layout, and there are 14 different shadows in here. You have those beautiful mattes, some duochromes, multi-chromes in here. This palette is going to retail for $54.99. I do have an affiliate code with Gourmande Girls, and it is Steff, and that will save you 10% off of your order. This palette goes live tomorrow, January 27th at 10 a.m. CST. I will have all the details listed in the description box. And if you're curious about this palette, which I think you are because that's why you're here, I'll be creating 2 looks with it and hopefully give you guys some inspo and help you all make a good buying decision. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, come on, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you like what you see, if you like Gourmande Girls, give this video a big thumbs up. Of course, check the description box for links and codes and to everything that I'll be wearing today. Some of those links and codes are affiliate, so if you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. Let's get bitten by love. If you guys want to see the new BITTEN palette from Gourmande Girls in action, keep on watching. Okay, so where are we going to start with this palette? So many yummy shades in here. I think I am going to start first with this pink shade called Vampira. Ooh, that's an interesting name, Vampira. And then I think I will move into this one called Fangs. And I'm taking Vampira on a What's Up Beauty R103. And I will be focusing that in the crease and right above. Very, very pigmented shadow. Okay, so I think we're getting a beautiful blend here. I'm loving it. Now I'm going to clean off that brush and I'm going to go into the shade Fangs, which has like a purple hue to it. I'm going to focus that out here and the lower portion of the crease. I think that could use just a tad bit deepening up. And I'm going to go into this one over here. This is Hellmouth. Is that right? I'm not big on my vampire trivia. Just going to add that right there. Oh, that's a nice shade. That's a really good shade. Ooh, I love it. Now I'm going to apply my Gourmande Girls glitter primer. You need this. So if you're going to pick up any Gourmande Girl palettes, and this is in stock, it's only $10, put it in your cart and thank me later, because in my opinion, this works so much better than the NYX glitter primer. This is gel-like, and I don't get any fallout during the day. I don't get, more importantly, any creasing during the day. And it's just a tacky gel-like primer. You don't want to put too much. If you do put too much, just let it sit for a second to kind of dry down. And then the same brush is what I'll use to pick up the shadow with. And the one I am eyeing is this one right here. This one is called Hysteria. Wow, that is beautiful. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of the first shade Vampira. I think I might have picked up a little too much, but I just want to blend it with the shimmer. Kind of take that up in the brow because I feel like it's just a little too much that I picked up. Oh, this is really pretty. Loving that. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with Fangs using a BH Cosmetics pencil brush to apply. Now I see a really pretty white shimmer shadow in here. This one is called Mina. So we're going to put that in the inner corner. I'm going to pick up a little bit of the gel that I still have on the back of my hand. Okay, I love it. I'm going to pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches. Ooh, nice inner corner. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1 with the Bitten palette from Gourmande Girls. Love it. I absolutely love it. Let me tell you some of the products I went in with. I used this little combo right here from Win Beauty, their mascara and their black liquid eyeliner. And then the lower waterline, I used a ColourPop. This is their cream gel liner, but this is a multi-chrome liner. And this one is in the shade Pixie, I believe. And what else? I think that's it. Oh, before I forget, because I know some of you are curious, the lipstick that I'm wearing is from CoverGirl, and I have a video where I lip swatch all of these new Outlast Forever Velvet Liquid Lipsticks. The shade is called Forever Burgundy. That's the look. I'll have, again, everything listed in the description box. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. All right, where are we going to start with this second look? I feel like I want to do something with the purples maybe, and then the shade looks really interesting. Then we have this red up here that looks good as well. So I think I'll start here with Immortal, and then I will move into this shade. What was this shade? Shapeshifter. And then Nos, oh, don't know how to pronounce this one, but I'm going to be using the purples, probably go in with that black again. We'll see. But let's start first with, which one did I say? Oh, Immortal. And I'm using a Refer 15 for the shade. And I'm really going to just blow it out up here. Take it high up towards the brow and out. That is a very nice, well-pigmented shade for being what I would consider a light shade. And that just blends so well. So well. Very impressed with the mattes. Now, I think I'm going to start first with this shade. And I'm using it on a What's Up Beauty R102. And let's see, I'm just going to do that right in here. I'm not really going to take it towards the outer corner. I'm going to leave that for that other purple shade. Just putting it right there in the crease. Now on that same brush, I just wiped it off. I'm going to go in with Shapeshifter, placing that out here. Those are very pretty purples. All right, loving that so much. I thought I wanted to do this one. Now I'm kind of leaning towards this one. Yeah, let's go in with this one. This one is called Slayer. Using my primer first. And I'm using a Morphe M124 to apply. That is so, so pretty. A lighter toned purple. I'm going to pick some up with my finger. Just tap it right here. Now I think, just to try it, I'm going to go in with this one, Euphoria. And I'm just going to put, I'll just put it in the center. Oh, that's cute. Gives it that little red pink flip. Now I'm just going to get the brush I was using for the matte shade. No additional product on it, just to blend right in here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to pick up a little more of Shapeshifter and just add it right in here. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Hunted. And of course, I'm using my little BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Good old faithful brush. Still have a lot of my BH Cosmetics brushes that I still use, and they wash up well. Had them for years. Easily 10 years or more. Okay, now we need something for the inner corner. Let me see, I'm gonna pick up some of the eye primer and just tap it here. Let me try that Euphoria right in here. Oh yeah, I think that works. Okay, let me go off camera, take care of those finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. Okay guys, take a look at this. Look at that blue eyeliner, that turquoise eyeliner I added in the lower waterline. It is another one of the ColourPop multi-chrome. Actually, no, it's not a multi-chrome eyeliner. It's from the Sailor Moon collection. And this one is called Crystal Tokyo. So I don't know if this is still around. I think I picked this one up at Ulta, but it's been a little while. But I love the way that blue looks with the purple. I kind of smudged my mascara under there. Ah, I'll fix it right now. But let me go ahead and wrap up this video. I'll share with you guys my final thoughts, and I'll also tell you how you can enter today's giveaway. Okay guys, so I had a really nice time with Bitten by Gourmande Girls. I think this is a beautiful palette for Valentine's Day. If you didn't get it, this reminds me of that ColourPop palette that was just released that sold out immediately. So maybe if you didn't pick up that collection, maybe you want to consider picking up this palette, because I think the color story, if I'm remembering correctly, is very similar. And this palette has such amazing shade quality, from the mattes to the multi-chromes, duochromes. I wasn't able to use 3 out of the 14 shades. So majority of the shades I got to use. I love them. The shimmer primer is a definite must. I really hope it is back in stock. It's only $10. And again, I do have an affiliate code over at Gourmande Girls, and it is Steff for 10% off your purchase. Don't forget my Nueva Vida palette, my collab with Gourmande Girls. I have it. I don't know if you can see it. It's back over there on the shelf, but that is still in stock, low quantity from what Christina tells me, and I don't know that it's going to come back. So if you want my Nueva Vida palette, spring and summer is coming up, that would be amazing. But this is definitely a beautiful palette for the love season. Let me know your thoughts. Which look was your favorite? Team 1, Team 2, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. Now, how are you going to enter today's giveaway? So this giveaway starts today. It is an international giveaway that is void where prohibited, and the winner assumes all taxes, duties, and fees associated with final delivery. I pay to ship it to your house or to your postal service, whatever it is. In some countries, you have to pay to receive goods. So if you have to pay a tax, a duty fee, whatever it is, then that's something you'll need to take care of. I just pay to ship it. Y'all need to take care of the rest. And that's mainly for those of you who live outside of the US. But again, starts today. It closes on February the 2nd at 6 p.m. CST. There's going to be a link to a Google form in the description of today's video. Make sure you click on that and fill out all of that basic information that I am asking of you. You're not going to see any comments from me in today's video. All I'm going to do is just heart them, like them. And I'm sorry if you ask me a question, I will not be answering it. And that's just my way to keep spammers, which YouTube has done a great job this last year in cleaning up the bots and the spammers that attack our giveaways. But that's just one way that you guys can know it's not me replying to you, because I'm telling you right now, I'm not replying to any comments. I'm just hearting them. And you'll know that you won because you'll receive an email from me, and I'll say specific things. I'll ask for specific details. If you're on Instagram, then I will DM you over there as well. But the email is the confirmation that you accept the prize, and you must respond within 24 hours. I do not pick the name. It is randomly chosen by the computer. So your comment, you need to comment which look was your favorite and what are your thoughts on the BITTEN palette. Very simple. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, of course. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and the rest of the instructions and info is in that Google form and also in the description box. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if BITTEN is going to be in your future. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye!